Number 1. This 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed for $900 in Blackfoot, Idaho, is a project car with promising potential. It comes with a manual transmission and a white exterior, paired with a blue interior. Originally a T-code 6-cylinder model, it still retains its original running gear, featuring a Ford 170 Ci straight-six engine and a 3-speed top-loader transmission. The car does have some rust issues, particularly on the driver's side door pan and rear lower quarters, but the frame rails appear solid. The Mustang is complete, including all bumpers and valance panels, and it even has a brand new set of tires. Although the car is being sold as is with a bill of sale only, the seller mentions that applying for a lost title is possible. This vehicle could serve as a parts car or be restored to its former glory, making it a great find for Mustang enthusiasts. Number 2. This 1978 Ford Thunderbird, listed for $1,500 in Mount Vernon, Washington, is a classic two-door hardtop with a green exterior and matching interior. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a V8 351-400 modified engine. The vehicle is in good condition and runs well, with good tires that should serve you for miles to come. The seller is open to offers, making this a potentially great deal for someone looking to own a piece of classic American automotive history. Whether you're interested in driving it as is or taking on a light restoration project, this Thunderbird could be a solid investment for any classic car enthusiast. Number 3. This 1956 Chevrolet Classic, listed for $100 in Sparks, Nevada, presents an intriguing opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. With an automatic transmission and a striking black exterior paired with a black interior, this vehicle exudes vintage charm. The car has been driven 10,000 miles, which is relatively low for its age, making it an appealing option for restoration or customization. At this price point, it could be a great starting point for a project car, offering plenty of potential for someone looking to bring a classic Chevrolet back to life. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or a first-time buyer, this 56 Chevy could be a worthwhile investment. Number 4. This 1967 Chevrolet Corvair, listed for $1,700 in Modesto, California, offers a classic project opportunity for enthusiasts. Featuring a manual transmission, this two-door Corvair comes in a white exterior with a black interior, maintaining the car's original aesthetic appeal. Although it's not currently running, the vehicle is complete, making it an ideal candidate for restoration. With a clean title, this Corvair could be a rewarding project for someone with the time and skills to bring it back to life. Whether you're looking to restore it to its former glory or customize it with modern touches, this classic Chevrolet has the potential to be a standout vehicle. Number 5. This 1969 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, listed for $1,500 in Purcell, Oklahoma, is a solid project truck for the right buyer. It features an automatic transmission and an eye-catching orange exterior. The truck runs and drives, but will need to be trailered due to some necessary repairs. While the tires hold air, the truck requires significant work, including almost an entire front clip and attention to the passenger head due to a valve cover bolt hole issue. This Chevy 1500 has potential for those looking to restore a classic truck with a unique style, making it a worthwhile project for the right enthusiast. Number 6. This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Corsa, listed for $2,500 in Pahrump, Nevada, is a promising project for a classic car enthusiast. Equipped with a manual transmission and featuring a sleek black exterior and interior, this car runs and drives, with new headlights and recently replaced tires, though the left rear tire has a slow leak from the bead. The Corvair still holds current tags until November, and the seller has been using it as a Sunday driver, enjoying the nostalgia it brings. However, the car needs additional work to restore its full functionality, including fixing the wipers, radio, and gauges. The seller is asking $2,500 or best offer and prefers a buyer who has the time and passion to bring this classic back to its former glory. Cash only, no trades. Number 7. This 1960 Studebaker Lark 8 station wagon, listed for $2,500 in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, is a vintage find waiting for restoration. Featuring an automatic transmission and powered by a 259 OHV V8 engine, this wagon holds a clean title with one owner. It has been stored in a barn for the past 30 years, and though it was running when parked, it will require some work to get back on the road. The vehicle is complete, with original hubcaps in great shape and the original keys and mileage still on the dash. The body has some rust, which is expected for its age, but the car is mostly intact. The seller is firm on the price, asking $2,500, and is looking for someone who can appreciate the classic nature of this Studebaker and has the time to restore it to its former glory. No lowball offers, please. Number 8. This 1981 Chevrolet El Camino, listed for $1,750 in Atoka, Oklahoma, is a project vehicle with potential. It features an automatic transmission, and both the exterior and interior are in blue. The car is in fair condition overall, but it's important to note that it does not run and will require some work to get it back on the road. The vehicle has a clean title and is fully paid off. The seller is not interested in trades and is looking for a buyer ready to take on the task of restoring this classic El Camino. If you're up for a project and can see the potential in this iconic vehicle, this might be the right fit for you. Number 9. This 1969 Ford Country Sedan Galaxy, listed for $1,500 in Lubbock, Texas, is a classic station wagon that could be a rewarding project for the right buyer. It comes with an automatic transmission and features a green exterior with a black interior. The car has a clean title and is being sold as a non-running project. The vehicle has a new 390 big block motor, but it requires push rods and additional reassembly to get it running. The seller emphasizes that the car must be towed and is not open to payments or trades, pricing it to sell quickly. This is a great opportunity for someone looking to restore a piece of automotive history. Number 10. This 1966 Mercedes-Benz is available for $1,000 in Carson City, Nevada, and represents a solid project for enthusiasts. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a white exterior with a red interior. It comes with a salvage title, indicating it's not in a drivable condition and needs substantial work. The vehicle is described as being in rough shape, but still potentially salvageable. It requires towing as it's not operational and cannot be driven away. Despite its current condition, this classic Mercedes offers a chance for restoration or could serve as a valuable parts car. The seller is firm on the price and not open to trades, ensuring a straightforward transaction. If you're up for a challenge and have the resources to restore this classic, it could be a rewarding project.